Assalamu alaikum dear students. I welcome all of you in today's lecture. In today's lecture, dear students, we will be discussing about geography of the Muslim world. First of all, we need to know about the geography. Here we have a definition of geography, students. Geography is a combination of two Greek words. Geo means earth and graphene means write about. So writing about the earth is called geography. As you know, we are going to study about the geography of the Muslim world. Therefore, it is necessary that you should have some idea about Islam and the Muslims. Dear student, Islam means submission to the will of Allah, and a person who submits himself to the will of Allah is called Muslim. Until or unless a person submits himself to the will of Allah, he cannot be called a Muslim. Here we need to know about the Muslim countries. What is meant by a Muslim country? So, those countries whose majority of population is Muslim, or the government of those countries are Muslim origin. For example, Saudi Arabia and Iran. In other words, we can say that the geography of the Muslim world comprehensively means those those countries whose population is Muslim, or the government of those areas are Muslims in origin. Dear students, in this slide we will talk about the expansion of or the size of the Muslim world. The Muslim world extends about 15,000 kilometers east to westward and 6,000 kilometers north to southward, as shown in map. Here we have a map of Muslim world. You can clearly see that the Muslim world is extended horizontally more than vertically. It means that the Muslim world is extends about east to west more than north to south. Students, here we are going to discuss about a very important aspect of Muslim world, that is physical features of the Muslim world. Following are the physical features of the Muslim world. Number one, mountain ranges. Here we have mountain ranges with the Muslim countries. Karakoram and Hindu Kush are located in the north of Pakistan and northeast of Afghanistan. So Hindu Kush is a common mountain range between Pakistan and Afghanistan. Then Atlas Mountains, which are located in North Africa. The highlands of the Ethiopia, Yemen, and the southern end of the Saudi Arabia, and eastern Turkey and much of Iran is also a mountainous area. Students, the next one is a desert. A desert is a place where the rate of evaporation is higher than the rate of rainfall. For your convenience, we can say that the driest place in the earth is called desert. The famous deserts of Muslim world are Sahara, which is located in North African countries, Thar and Thal Desert, both are located in Pakistan, and there is another very famous desert which is located in Iran, and that is Dasht-e-Lut. Number three, that is a very important feature, river. The famous rivers of Muslim world are the River Nile, which is located in Egypt, River Indus, which is located in Pakistan, Tigris and Euphrates, which run in Iraq, and number four is fertile land or plain areas. In Pakistan, the Indus Plain is a renowned fertile area, and the second one is a fertile crescent, which is area located between two rivers of Iraq, Euphrates and Tigris, that is called fertile crescent. That is also a plain area. At the last, there is a coastal area. Muslim countries significantly have coastal areas like Pakistan, Iran, and northern African countries, Saudi Arabia, Yemen, and other Gulf countries are actually coastal countries. Dear students, in this slide we are going to discuss about the physical features of the Muslim world. We have an idea about the Muslim world, location of Muslim countries. Mostly the Muslim countries are present in uh, North Africa, Middle East, and South Asia, and also Southeast Asia. So here we have a physical map of Muslim world, a map which shows the physical features of the earth is called a physical map. As we have discussed earlier that Atlas Mountains located in the north of Africa joining the Europe with the mountain of Gibraltar in the northern side of Atlas Mountains. In the southern side of Atlas Mountain there is a huge desert, and that is called Sahara Desert. Sahara Desert is world's largest desert. So, dear students, here we have a river Nile, which is under the cursor. You can see a blue line which runs towards the Mediterranean Sea, and this is the only river in the world which runs upwards from South Pole to from the south side to the north. Here we have Euphrates and Tigris. These are the two rivers, and this area is called Fertile Crescent. This is, dear students, Iranian Plateau, A plateau is actually elevated area from the sea level, and it is a elevated plain area, which is not a mountainous area. So this is the Iranian plateau. Here we have a Karakoram mountain range and Hindu Kush. Hindu Kush is a common mountain range between Pakistan and Afghanistan. Here we can see a line which runs from north of Pakistan towards the south of Pakistan, and it meets Arabian Sea at the end of the Pakistan coastal area, that is near the Karachi. So, dear students, another physical feature which is Indus Plain. This is Indus Plain area, which is a fertile land, and Pakistan produce all the agriculture product mostly from this plain area. So these were the physical features of Muslim country. At the last, we have a coastal area feature. Muslim countries have a significant coastal areas, like Pakistan has a coastal area, then Iran, Arabian countries, yeah, or Middle East countries have longest coastal areas. Here we have African countries which also have a significant coastal area uh, uh, through Mediterranean Sea and Atlantic Ocean. So that's all of students today's lecture. I hope you have got some idea about the physical features of the Muslim world and the geography of the Muslim world. If you have any query regarding this lesson, you can ask me. You can text me on my WhatsApp number, so I can help you regarding any difficulty in this uh, lesson. Take care of yourself, students. Stay at home. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.